Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make A4 document in Canva. Once on Canva, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and select Create a Design. In the search bar, you're going to type in A4. From there, you can choose whether you like it to be portrait or landscape. You can also scroll down and, for example, if it was a flyer you would like to create, you can select flyer, letter, worksheet, or so on. We're just going to be selecting portrait for this example. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can choose to use one of the templates from the left-hand menu option, or you can simply tap on uploads and you can continue with your design as you can see here. Once you're finished, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner to save the changes by tapping on download. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.